Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay students, I am your science teacher Miss Iram Hassan. And unit second, this is unit second, characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. Okay students, previously we have discussed characteristics of living things. All characteristics and all living things can respire, can move, can breathe, and can grow. So and all living things need food. So these all the characteristics of living things. Now we will discuss an animal cell in unit second. Now we will discuss in unit second an animal cells and plant cell. Clear? But first we learn drills of difficult word with syllables. Okay, these all are difficult words in this topic. Okay, so first one word is, okay students, now say with me, first one word is CELL, cell. CELL, cell. MEM, BRA, membrane, NE, membrane, cell membrane. First one word is cell membrane. Clear? Cell membrane is the outer layer of cell. Animal cell. Okay, now second one is cytoplasm. What? Cytoplasm. CY, CYTO, cyto, PLA, cytoplasm, SM, cytoplasm. What? Cytoplasm. Third one word is pigment. Pigment. PIG, pig, MENT, ment, pigment. Pigment means color. Okay. And fourth one word is cell wall. CELL, cell, WALL, cell wall. Last one word is substance. Substance. SUB, sub, STA, substance, and CE, substance. So these are difficult words. Okay, now first we will discuss an animal cell. What is this? Animal cell. Okay students, previously we have discussed all living things breathe, all living things can breathe, feel, grow, move and reproduce. Clear? And all living things are made up of cells. Clear? We have discussed all living things are made up of what? Cells. And what is cell? A cell is the basic unit of life. Clear? Cell is the basic unit of life, and cell provides structure for the body. Cell is the basic unit for life and cell provides structure for the body. Okay students, first we will discuss an animal cell. Clear? First we will discuss animal cell. But in animal cell, first we will discuss cell membrane. Clear? And animal cell, first we will discuss cell membrane. Okay, so the cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. Cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. Okay, you see in this picture, look at in this picture, cell membrane. It is the outer covering of the cell. Okay, so it protects. Clear? Its function is it protects the cell and control the movement of materials. Okay, it protects the cell. Cell membrane protects the cell and control the movement of materials, and it also gives the cell its shape. Clear? It gives the cell its shape. It also gives shape to the cell. Clear? Cell membrane also gives shape to the cell and it controls the movement of materials. Okay students, I am repeating again, listen carefully. Cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. It gives the cell its shape and it controls the movement of materials. Okay, next one is, now this one is for outer covering of the cell. Look at the outer covering of the cell. This one is the cell membrane. Outer covering of the cell is the cell membrane. Okay, now second one is nucleus. Okay, nucleus, what is this? Nucleus, nucleus. Okay, nucleus is the most important structure inside animal and plant cell. Clear? Nucleus is the most important structure inside an animal and plant cell. It is the main control center for the cell. Clear? Nucleus is the main control center. You see the nucleus? And you see the nucleus, this is the nucleus, this is nucleus. Okay, so nucleus control all the activities. Clear, students? Students, as you know, in our body, in human body, all the activities are controlled by the brain. Clear? In our body, all the activities are controlled by the brain. So but in animal cell, like that, in animal cell, nucleus work like brain. Nucleus controls all the activities. Clear? Nucleus control all the activities of the cell. Clear? So the nucleus is small and round. All the activities of the cells are controlled by the nucleus, and nucleus is the most important structure. Clear? Okay, now cytoplasm. What is this? Cytoplasm. Next one is cytoplasm. C-Y-T-O-Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So cytoplasm, it is a watery jelly substance. You see the cytoplasm in this picture? It is a jelly-like substance that fills the cell. Okay, students. So cytoplasm are made from mostly salt and water. Clear? Cytoplasm made from mostly salt and water that provides a structure. For the cell. Clear? Okay, and cytoplasm has several important functions. So function of cytoplasm is cytoplasm hold the internal components. Clear? Cytoplasm mean inside, components mean parts, inside parts. Cytoplasm hold the internal components of the cell in place. Clear? This is the function of cytoplasm, and also protects them from damage. Clear? And also protects them from damage. So cytoplasm is responsible for giving a cell its shape. It also gives shape to the cell, and it helps to fill out cell and keep organelles in their place. Clear? It helps to fill out cell and keep organelles in their place. So students, I am repeating again, listen, okay? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that fills the cell, and cytoplasm is responsible for giving a cell its shape. And it helps to fill out cell and keep organelles in their place. Okay, now next one is vacuole. What is this? Vacuole. V-A-C-U-O-L-E. Vacuole. Okay, students, so vacuoles are storage bubbles. You see the vacuoles in animal cell. In animal cell has many small vacuoles. Clear? In animal cell has many small vacuoles. Vacuoles are storage bubbles. The blue colors, you see blue color vacuoles. In animal cell has many small vacuoles. So vacuoles are storage bubbles found in cells. They are found in both animals and plant cell. Okay. First we have discussed animals cell membrane. So cell membrane also found in both plants and animal cell, and nucleus also found in both plants and animal cell. And cytoplasm also found in both plants and animal cell, and vacuoles also found in both plants and animal cell. Okay, and the function of vacuole is to store food, water and waste substance. Clear? What is the function of vacuole? What is vacuole? Vacuole. So what is vacuole? Question is, what is vacuole? So vacuole is the storage bubbles found in cells. And the function, what is the function? So the function of vacuole is to store food, water and waste substance. Clear? Animal cell, as I have told you, animal cells have many small vacuoles. Animal cell has many small vacuoles. Okay, now we will discuss plant cell. A plant cell. In plant cell, first we will discuss cell wall. Clear? Cell wall. So cell wall is the outer covering of the plant cell. You see the cell wall, outer covering of the cell. This is cell wall. Cell wall is the outer covering of the plant cell, and function it supports and protects the plant cell. Clear? It supports and protects the plant cells. Cell wall is the outer covering of the cell and it protects the plant cell because it's the outer covering of the cell. Clear? And you see the cell membrane. Okay, look at the cell membrane in this picture. As I have told you, cell membrane is found in both plants and animal cells. Cytoplasm is also found in both plants and animal cell. Nucleus is also found in both plants and animal cell, and vacuoles is also found in both plants and animal cell. But here is chloroplast and cell wall. Chloroplast and cell wall are found in just plant cell, not in animal cell. Clear? Cell wall and chloroplast found in just in plant cell, not in animal cell. And cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuole, these are all found in both. Clear? Okay students, we have discussed cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and vacuoles. These all are found in both plants and animal cells. Cell membrane, we have discussed this one. So cell membrane also found in both plants and animal cell, and nucleus also found in both plants and animal cell, and cytoplasm also found in both plants and animal cells. Okay, and vacuoles also found in both plants and animal cell. Okay, now chloroplast. What is this? Chloroplast. CHLORO, chloro, PLAST, chloroplast. What is this? Chloroplast. Okay students, so plant cell contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Pigment mean color. Color. Okay, plant cell contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. What is this? Chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. You see the green color in plant? This is called chlorophyll. Clear? And which absorbs energy from the sun and helps the plants to make the food. Okay students, chloroplast, which plant cell contain a green pigment called chlorophyll and which absorbs energy from the sun and helps the plant to make the food. Clear? And you see the green color just found in plant, not in an animal. Okay, just found in plants. This green color trap the sunlight. Clear? This green color trap the sunlight, then plants prepare their food. Clear? Plants prepare their food by using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide, and this process is called photosynthesis. Okay, so and look at the vacuole. As I have told you, vacuole found in both plants and animal cell. Vacuoles are storage bubbles found in cell, and the function of a vacuole is to store food, water and waste substance. And you see the vacuole. You see the vacuole in plant cell. A plant cell has one large vacuole. Clear? A plant cell is just one large vacuole, as I have told you, but in animal cells have many small vacuoles, and plant cells have one large vacuole. Clear? So this is the difference. This is the chloroplast, vacuoles, and cell. These are the differences in plants and animal cell membrane found in both, cytoplasm found in both, nucleus also found in both, and vacuoles also found in both. But vacuole and plant cell, where plant cell has one large vacuole and animal cell has many small vacuoles, and chloroplast just found in plant cell, because green color just found in plants, not in an animal. So chloroplast found in plant cell, not in an animal cell, and cell wall also found in plant cell. Clear? Not in an animal cell. Okay, so this is the differences between plants and animal cell. Differences between plants and animal cell. Okay, now look at the pictures. Plant cell and an animal cell. Plant cell and animal cell. You see the cell membrane? Plant cell and animal cell both have a cell membrane. Clear? Both have cell membrane. And now look at the cytoplasm, and both have cytoplasm. Plant cell and animal cell both have cytoplasm. They both have cytoplasm, and they both have nucleus. Clear? You see the nucleus in animal cell. You see the nucleus in animal cell. In animal cell, the nucleus is in the center, and in plant cell, the nucleus located on the side. Clear? Okay, and a plant cell has one large vacuole, and an animal cell has many small vacuoles. Clear? Look at the vacuoles in animal cell. In animal cell has many small vacuoles. Now look at the plant cell, and plant cell has one large vacuole, and animal cell has many small vacuoles. Okay, and plant cell also contains cell wall and chloroplast. Clear? Plant cell also contains chloroplast and cell wall, while animals do not contain cell wall and chloroplast. Clear? Okay students, so this was today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, and we will continue this topic, this unit in next lecture, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.